I dare any NDC party member to come and show me which flight flew, which helicopter flew from any part of Ghana to go to Ho for business or anything. Mr. Mohammed's Green Book say Ho for more airport as far back as 2016. Airport the plane the faho. My question to what I was saying say, Mr. Mohammed and the NDC for Becca Green Book no say Ho airport is duly commissioned. No, yaps, welcome. Obeka say Ho airport is what? Is duly commissioned. No, me person obo one. This one you can tag any NDC communicator who has fact or anything to come and tell us if impohe unibibi. There is something that I think Ghanaians ye wicked. A kufu ado penny empenasem. Mama menchira made. Muni me inti America sa. Mr. Muhammad die bia ye test drive anameboa. Se we ye factory a we ye test drive at the try machines now with the buy no. Se we ye akwan a what the car fa so ama yehu se okay akwan no aha viable and aha no ye ni you test it out. Whenever you invent something, whenever you create something, you test it out. So my question to the people of Volta region, they say, when Mr. Mahama, who stands for NDC, who you have been giving all your vote to ever since the inception of the Volta region and NDC, no, Obeka Chira will say, why you whole aerodrome airport amount, into whole airport is duly commissioned, no. Me pesa woman me flight back, Africa Air, FRO. Zoom lion for tie kra ankofasa airport wo. Na aswampa say ya papa Mahama no we whole airport na. My question to the Voltarians again say, why didn't we see even the military using it for even training? Like I said, Mahama and NDC cock and bull, or Nanado and MPP talk and do. That is what the title is. The two are comfort. Obi atro wo ono ni pepe mu say Ho airport no in 2016 no na ade aye me ya ne say oma ahemfo no mutena awiem o ka kiro mo so obeba ho awia enti omo bo big deba na ahemfo no so ebi ni mutiri mo oden udu ho na awokoye deba no unim pefe say airport no ye wie ye unim pefe say airport no ye nya hwe wo ho akire say aye ready for commercial enti mo kwotena ho say mo commission na mo commission den NDC for more years more commission. What were you really commissioning? Because when you put into your green book, say, I love the people of Volta region, and therefore I have provided them with an airport. Now 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 6 years after something was commissioned, and sign a plane A2 everywhere. How the hell do you tell me that government is credible? NDC for Ghana for me patch mama my yeah no, because it is sad. Obi actual when the green book mu say why ye aerodrome airport e de ama ye nuanom e wo Volta region from Mantem adentia and na ye ka say ye nuanom e wo from Mantem almost so omatedende nyankopon atonsuo pa e de go Volta region for so aden na make sasa because omanya iron ore o the iron ore no to wa ya sai so kura ko se gas e pie axim ne ade ya in Ghana oil ebu nyankopon adawro. Look at how Ghana is blessed. Look how God is blessing Ghana. Nyankopon ama Ghana for e wo hu eso nya oil say no about their business will flow. So an airport, which is an initiation of Ghana Airport Company, all the government had to do was to supervise this and get it done. Munchen you, Obi Akwaji Nisika Abadi Abesha say, as the president, supervise this because only the head. So an airport cannot be built without your consent or your input. And untino company na kopiskaba. Yes, say ye Papa Mahama, Yisika Nini $25 million. Fadie way Esisa airport way MIA. Then he doesn't build the airport, number one. He goes a step further to put it in a green book to tell Ghanaians, say, whole airport is duly commissioned. Did he end there? No. He took an helicopter to go to Ho Anajo 10:49 p.m. to go and commission an airport. Yede container, mo container moto mo ade. Yede asiwa yede air condition. Abo ho say that is supposed to be the control tower. And Ghanaians applauded. Ghanaians loved Mahama for lying to you, say, number one, or say, the total road network of Ghana, no, almost 87% of it, and Yamena Meka, you say, Green Book. Me say NDC, when they look in the Green Book and they look in the mirror, their shadow would always chase them because they are very wicked and abysmal. Only pa boni biya so enya hotoda. You understand? The fact is fact. Obi Abekachiro say Ghana, your total road network, no, why 87% in the Green Book. Now Wasia Kachiro say, ho for moto Abama NDC. Ye domododo and unti ye basi airport amamo mumfanye business. Me pacho 2016 Mahama commission we ye no. And coming ye adebia o commissioner we do something we call piloting and ameboa piloting say ye trying kakra crash into the from ho to Accra there anka enwa anameboa nti anka yemma anka o commission we ye no anka yemma airport say plane ba kupo in fact regular passengers keke en free ho airport wo mra Accra ana yemma plane kura ntum free Accra enko ho keke na yehu say duly it has been. Just so that we know that duly this airport has been commissioned. Because me the school kakra me call, you know, the chairman say when we say something is duly commissioned, it means it's ready to be used. It is a president because commission are there 2016 say are you ready to use Ghana for. Now plain tie po ampai ewo ho airport wa. Come on, Ghana for what are we really doing to ourselves as human beings? Let's be honest to you. Let's be real with this thing that we are doing. Sadly, we are a didi agron. Mommy and Shindy. Obi Abekachira will say, "Wo total road network waye yemfe no ntonchen." Now the votarians ya moto abama omono. Ye pese ye shem wani munyam. Enu nti ye the airport eba mo ho. Na or they are send the paper mu say airport ni duly commission. Na so votarian bi enwa of our plane. 2016 to 2021 every ho edeba Accra and every Accra ediko ho. It never happened. It never happened. And it's a winner sankrofo we mo bekachre will say kufuado mo ndi ne boshe so a eya sometimes maybe I will say ushi oma aboboma soon. NDC is a demonic party. It is an evil party. They are not for Ghana. NDC is never for Ghana. Bibi omuye bia is just to play on the intelligence of Ghanaians. The obeye bia ye dia odibe wia Ghana ni adwene. The obeye bia no eye di odibe